hunting, I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble.
Hello viewers, welcome to another exciting episode of Miss Time today. Our guest is Hathwik Kodak. He's a batsman for the Saurashtra cricket team, and we are very happy to have him on the show today. Even though his schedule was pretty tight, but fortunately, he figured out the time for us. So we are privileged to have him on the show. So hi Hathwik, how are you doing?
Hello, I'm good. Thank you. How are you?
I'm pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. Hope you're enjoying summers in India now. You recently came back from UK.
Yes. So
Okay.
it's pretty hot here right now in Rajkot.
Yes, yes, yes. Same here, where we are located. So, but that's the beauty, of India. So we have all the weathers here, right? So,
Yes.
Hathwik, a person like you are very young, and we thought to have you on the show, and that's a great thing for us, right? So many people gonna listen this. So I think I would like to start asking you, because you are a cricketer, you are a batsman. So what inspired you to pursue career as a career in cricket? Like how did you get started? In this game.
So my father is my inspiration.
Okay.
So he's a he's a professional cricket player. He's a coach now. But when
Okay.
he used to play Ranji Trophy, I used to go and watch his games,
Okay.
and I used to see him play, and that got me inspired.
Okay. So you have your father as a guy, like as a person who inspired you.
Yes.
Generally people look at other cricketers, but that is a great thing for you, that in your family, like someone who is your father, like your father is a mentor, right? So if I'm not wrong, Sitanshu Kotak ji is your father, right? He,
Yes.
right.
Yes.
And he also coaches Indian cricket team.
Yes. He is currently at the National Cricket Academy. He's batting coach in NCA.
Okay. Great. So, Hedwig, since when, your father actually wanted you to start your game? At what age you got
So
started?
basically, when I was 7 to 8 years old,
Oh,
um, yes, at that time, at home I was playing with bat, and my dad used to do the throwdowns to me. So slowly, I got interest into the game, and then I went and saw his games.
hmm,
Uh, I just felt that I have to play this sport anyhow.
okay. So that's incredible. You started playing in your very uh, in your very early age, right? So
Yes,
that is very obvious for you to become a cricketer, right? So this is just your starting days now, I believe, right? And I'm sure you're gonna be a big player in the coming days, in the coming years, right? So Hedwig, what's your favorite cricketing memory so far?
um, favorite cricketing memories is like watching my father bat in Ranji Trophy.
Okay, okay,
It was very good to watch him bat, the way how he used to
uh-huh.
bat. He used to. So that's one of my favorite memories. Yeah.
Okay. तो आप जाते होंगे उनके साथ गेम में देखने उनको मैचेस, राइट? So that's how
Yes.
you got to know more about this game, I think. So
Yes. Yes.
right. And I'm sure your whole family is a fan of him. He's a inspiration in your family to not only you but to other people as well. I'm sure.
Yeah.
और लोगों के लिए भी.
Yes.
So great. And Hedvig, like how do you prepare, कैसे आप mentally prepare करते हैं for a big match? Like जब जैसे कि मैच है, how do you prepare mentally for a big match? Like, do you have any particular schedule, any particular, like some sort of transitioning exercises or yoga? Do you do that?
Yes, I do a little bit of yoga.
Okay.
But main thing is like I have my schedules before the game.
Okay.
So basically, I practice 4 hours, I bet 4 hours.
Okay. Okay.
So that helps me to prepare for the game. And then another thing is mentally.
Mm-hmm.
So I mentally prepare up myself for the upcoming games. Like I would, before few days, I would be knowing what sort of wicket we will be playing on, or what's the opposition we playing on. So
Right.
I prepare myself for that.
Okay. And how do you handle the pressure of being a key player in your team? मतलब कैसे
See, I don't think that whether I'm a key player or not. I leave that thing to the people. They can decide that.
Right.
But as of me, my goal that whenever I go into the ground, whether it's batting or fielding, I have to give my 100%.
Mm-hmm.
If I'm playing, I have to make sure that I do well for my team so that my team wins.
Mm-hmm. So, what's your favorite, number on which you like to play? Like, would you like to go on a second, third, or like, or
I am like, I actually I open, I go in middle order as well.
Okay.
So there is no special position which I would like to bat on.
Okay.
Like I'm fine with any number as my team wants me to bat at.
Okay. Okay. So because if you are playing in a middle order, so
Yeah.
in the middle of the game, like your team expects a lot from you, right? Not like
Yeah.
expectation, like it's a teamwork, not any degree. Like apparently all people play together and they are responsible. So they actually honest about their their game, right? So accordingly, at the end of the day, like it concludes the whole effort, right? We conclude the whole effort of the team, right?
Yeah.
तो जैसे कि आप मिडिल ऑर्डर में जाएं या थोड़ा सा उससे आगे जाएं, तो थोड़ा सा तो प्रेशर बढ़ ही जाता है उसमें, राइट? सो उस प्रेशर को मतलब आप लाइटली, मतलब कैसे, आप क्या चलता है आपके माइंड में, क्योंकि ये कुछ इंटरनल होता है इंसान का, तो हाउ अ पर्सन लाइक यू हैंडल इट?
So this game is not about handling pressure, but I think I take it in a positive way. Ki whole year, if I'm practicing very hard, then that's the time to show what I'm capable of, right?
Right.
So I think it in positive way rather than taking pressure. If I can dominate well, that's gonna help me and my team both. So I, to be honest, look it up to that way.
Okay. Okay. मतलब पॉजिटिव रह के आप खेलते हैं, तो देयर इज नो पर्टिकुलर और एनी स्पेसिफिक स्ट्रेटजी और एनीथिंग लाइक दैट, राइट? रेस्ट
No, it depends upon the surface we play on. Actually, there are different type of wickets. It could be a turning track, it could be a seaming track. So जैसा भी विकेट रहता है वैसे अपने को एडजस्ट करके खेलना रहता है.
राइट. जैसे आपने मुझे बताया कि आपके पिताजी जो थे वो आपके लिए इंस्पिरेशन है, तो उसके अलावा जैसे कि आप डू यू लुक अप टू टू अदर क्रिकेटर्स एज वेल, और उनकी तरह आप अपने आप को देखना चाहते हैं एंड ट्राई टू एमुलेट इन योर ओन, लाइक कैसे आप उनको देखते हैं? कोई आपका कोई फेवरेट क्रिकेटर हो, या उनकी तरह आपको कोई पर्टिकुलर लगता हो कि ऐसा मुझे अपनी गेम को चेंज करना है या कुछ ऐसा?
Surya Kumar Yadav, I look up to him.
Okay.
I think he's very good the way he plays shots. जो वो अपना बॉडी पोस्चर क्रिएट करते हैं शॉट्स खेलने के लिए, that's just outstanding. So मैं थोड़ा बहुत उनको देख के कुछ चीजें सीखता हूँ.
जी. And any favorite shot you like to tell us, like which is your favorite shot in the game?
Straight drive. I like to play straight drive.
It's one of the it's one of the toughest shots, I believe. So every shot has its unique things, but the straight drive is I find it difficult. So it's great to know. And any advice for young cricketers, aspiring cricketers to you want to follow?
Yes, I would like to tell that if you want to become a professional cricket player, spend most of the time on the ground. Like if you are a batsman, if you are a bowler, like if you are a batsman, think about playing lots of balls every day in practice, because that's the only thing that can get you a higher. If you are a bowler, you need to bowl X amount of balls every day so that your body is used to bowling lot, or is your body is capable of having that, say, has a capacity to perform when it's a tough times in a game, when it's a pressure situation. If you are practicing hard every day, then eventually in the game you can perform well.
Right. और आप बताना चाहेंगे, do you like any but कुछ ऐसा समय आया हो आपकी गेम में when you were feeling low, कुछ ऐसा लग रहा हो
ऐसा
मैं खेल नहीं पा रहा हूँ, या थोड़ा सा ऐसा चल रहा है, थोड़ा सा मुझे और कुछ ऐसा टाइम हर व्यक्ति की जिंदगी में आता है, तो तो आप बता सकते हैं इसके बारे में?
जी, हर एक क्रिकेटर में ऐसा टाइम आता रहता है, वेरी फ्रीक्वेंटली आता है सबकी लाइफ में, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. बट वो टाइम पे ये सब सोचने का नहीं रहता है कि आई एम लो और ये सब ठीक नहीं चल रहा है. द बेस्ट थिंग इज कि मैं जो करने का ट्राई करता हूँ, कैसा भी टाइम अच्छा चल रहा हो या इट्स अ डिसेंट टाइम, वेदर आई एम परफॉर्मिंग और समटाइम्स, सो व्हाट आई ट्राई, आई जस्ट फोकस ऑन माई प्रैक्टिसिंग कि नहीं, मेरे को बस अच्छा चल रहा है तो भी प्रैक्टिस करना है. अच्छा, मैं 1-2 इनिंग आउट हो गया हूँ तो भी मेरे को जाके प्रैक्टिस करना है. तो आई कम आउट ऑफ दैट थिंग बिट क्विकर. और मेरे माइंड में वो चीज में आई डोंट लेट दैट अफेक्ट माई माइंड कि वेदर आई एम परफॉर्मिंग वेल, वेदर आई एम नॉट परफॉर्मिंग वेल. आई जस्ट स्टिक टू माई बेसिक्स कि हर एक मैच है, हर एक नया दिन है, हर एक मैच नया है जो जिताना है अपने टीम के लिए.
Right. And as a hard-hitting batsman, what's your approach when you face different type of bowlers, fast bowlers, spinners? तो क्या approach रहती है आपकी as a batsman?
Okay, so obviously we play on different kind of tracks, seaming tracks, turning tracks, at times batting pitches. So opposition के जो bowlers रहते हैं उनकी strengths पहले we see the what strength do they bowl, what line lengths do they bowl, okay. and according to that I adjust myself कि इनको कैसे खेलूंगा, इनको कैसे स्कोर करूंगा, ये स्कोरिंग ऑप्शंस है ये बॉलर में. तो ये सब एक प्लानिंग रहता है मेंटली. सो
रिलेटेड टू द सेम क्वेश्चन, तो आप इसकी रिसर्च या आप उनके बारे में जो भी ओपोनेंट हैं, जो जितने भी बॉलर्स हैं, तो उनके बारे में थोड़ी सी आपकी भी अपनी खुद की रिसर्च रहती होगी, एंड देन यू कीप इट टू योरसेल्फ कि हाँ मुझे ऐसे खेलना है, ये कैसा बॉलर है, ऐसा कुछ ही कह रहे हैं ना कि मतलब उनके बारे में थोड़ा सा स्टडी करते होंगे आप कि हु आई एम गोइंग टू.
अच्छा, मतलब रिसर्च मतलब ऐसा नहीं रहता, लेकिन हम जब ग्राउंड पर जाते हैं, मैच शुरू होता है, तब हम देखते हैं कि अच्छा वो आइडिया आ जाता है कि ये बॉलर का ये स्ट्रोक बॉल है, ये बॉलर ये चीज ज्यादा करता है, ये चीज कम करता है, ये फील्ड प्लेसमेंट लगाता है, ये विकेट पे इसका बॉल ग्रिप होता है नहीं होता है. वो सब चीजें देख के वो लाइक सिंपल रहता है, वो उतना ज्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड नहीं रहता है, बट ये बैक ऑफ द माइंड ये सब चीजें रहता है कि अच्छा इसको ऐसे ऐसे हम लोग खेल सकते हैं और ऐसे स्कोर कर सकते हैं.
राइट. मतलब पिच पे जाके ही आप इसका थोड़ा डिसीजन मेकिंग, जो भी आपकी स्ट्रेटेजी रहती है, ऐसे खेलना है या मुझे डिफेंसिव मोड में रहना है, वो आप वही देखते हैं जाके, राइट? इट्स लाइक दैट. जी. And Hardik, like what are your personal goals for the coming cricket season? कुछ आपके कुछ goals हो आने वाले क्रिकेट सीजन के लिए?
Yes, personal goals. So basically, I I try to work hard, try to get fitter.
हम्म,
जिधर भी मैं खेलूं, I want कि मैं परफॉर्म करूं अच्छा, अपनी टीम को जिताऊं. वही
right.
गोल है मेरा. Yes.
Okay, and what's your favorite cricketing memory so far? I'm sure, uh, you have been trained well by your father. तो कोई ऐसी memory हो उनके साथ हो या कोई ऐसे कोच हो जिनके साथ आप जिन्होंने आपको ट्रेन किया हो कुछ ऐसी मेमोरी हो या कोई क्रिकेट की मैच की प्रोफेशनल मैच की कोई मेमोरी हो तो यू वांट टू which is very close to your heart.
Uh, so one of the memories, obviously, watching my dad play in a Ranji Trophy game.
Okay. Okay.
It is great. And other than that, I would say in 2022-23 season,
Hmm.
Saurashtra won the under 25 one days,
Hmm.
the
Hmm.
tournament by BCCI.
Hmm. Hmm.
So that was one of the great memories. So it was the first time Saurashtra won the under 25 one day thing.
Hmm. Hmm. Right. Right.
So it was great, yes.
Great, great, great. And Hedwig, like, if I would ask you, like, who is the toughest bowler so far, according to you, you have faced? Who is the toughest guy?
To be honest, no one. If you are good, you don't feel anyone tough.
Okay, great, great, great. This answer is like you are confident in your game, but you are not overconfident, right? So it's good to be it's good to be confident, right? So
Yes, yes.
we have to keep ourselves very confident and believe in our efforts and keep us on to that level where we don't feel that we are lesser, right? So we can face any situation, any bowler, so that's a good attitude. I like it. And Hedwig, any message for your fans, the young kids, people who uh, watch you, uh, you know, around the globe? Any message for them? Your message for your fans?
Um, Thanks for always supporting and loving me. All the best to everyone.
Okay,
God
great.
bless.
Yeah, thank you so much. Hedwig,
Thank you.
we are very pleased to have you, and we are just not saying this. We are very happy in the end to talk to you. You are very humble. You are a very humble guy, right? So our wishes, are with you that you will keep growing in your game and stay fit and healthy. And best of luck for your upcoming, seasonal games, right?
Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah, let's connect other time. When you are having some more time, then we'll definitely like to reach you out.
Yeah, sure.
You do take care. Yeah, thank you very much.